India, in yet another blatant violation of international and domestic legal norms, ordered the attachment of over 1.5 canals of land belonging to US-based Kashmir lobbyist Dr. Ghulam Nabi Fai. A special NIA court, while passing the order under Section 83 of the Criminal Procedure Code, directed the Budgam collector to attach the immovable property marrying one canal and two marlas in village Wadwan and 11 marlas in village Chatbog, and to take possession immediately. Dr. Saeed Nazir Jalani, a distinguished Kashmir scholar, researcher, analyst and president of Jammu Kashmir Council of Human Rights, an organization holding special consultative status with the United Nations, has said that the government of India has no authority to confiscate property in Kashmir. In an insightful write-up, he said India's action exemplifies a wider pattern in which the country has converted its originally temporary protective mandate in the internationally recognized disputed territory into a permanent punitive regime. The use of domestic coercive laws, including section of the Indian Penal Code (IPC) and the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act (UAPA) in Jammu and Kashmir, is legally incompatible with the India's original obligations. By attaching properties and criminalizing dissenting voices, India has flagrantly breached the duties that justifies its temporary admission into Jammu and Kashmir. Dr. Gilani further emphasizes that India's entry in Jammu and Kashmir in 1947 was conditional and purpose limited, with the Indian Army admitted solely to defend the territory against external aggression, protect life and property, and uphold civil rights, all under the authority of the state and subject to the will of the Kashmiri people. By employing domestic coercive laws such as Section 505 IPC and 13, 39 and 40 of UAPA to target dissenters, India is directly violating these commitments, breaching the duty to protect property and undermining the UN-supervised framework established through Security Council resolutions. The attachment of Dr. Fai property is not an isolated act, but a reflection of a systematic strategy to suppress dissent, criminalize political expression, and extend punitive measures under the guise of legal procedures. Dr. Gilani underscores that such measures they violate international law, including Article 103 of the UN Charter, which makes obligation under UNCS resolutions superior to inconsistent domestic law. The development starkly illustrates the broader truth. India's so-called protective mandate has long morphed into a coercive occupation, where international Kashmiri advocates face collective punishment. As Dr. Ghali's analysis points out, confiscating properties and silencing dissent are not legitimate exercises of authority. They are continuation of a punitive regime that flagrantly breaches both moral and legal obligations in Jammu and Kashmir.